We can't keep it on the low. So when nobody has to know. Baby, don't answer your phone. Yeah, cause there's high chance of being alone. Baby, come and make.
Welcome back to another video, YouTube. This is your girl Caitlin B, and today I'm here and I'm going to be showing y'all a perfume I got with Scentbird. If you don't know what Scentbird is, it's like a subscription box. I see it all the time on YouTube, and I wanted to try it out. They have all kinds of scents. It was very hard choosing which ones I wanted to pick. I got a Dolce & Gabbana in light blue because I've had this before and I ran out, and I love this stuff. It says Scentbird. It came in this bag. It says Scentbird on the bottom. I think this is $15. I got this for free through an app. I'll make a whole nother video on that. You can get free stuff on the app. This is one of the items I got for free. Card, Scentbird, tells you how to use it. So that's what it looks like. It says Scentbird again on here. All you do is twist it and it comes up and you spray it. And also you can replace these. It just says twist, pull the old vial up to remove. I guess this. You create a profile and you can choose your scents. You get one a month. And it tells you how to do it. You go to your profile, you can rate the perfumes. You can change your cues. I changed mine like 3 times because I wanted Viva La Juicy. And then I got this. I don't know how much is even in here. This stuff smells so good. Y'all have to try it. This is what I got. Dolce & Gabbana light blue. It tells you, it'll be like your fragrance this month is blah blah blah. It tells you about the perfume, what's in the ingredients. Like in this is lemon, apple, cedar, bamboo, and a flower called bluebell. It tells you the ingredients, alcohol, perfume, fragrance, water, and all these other ones. This is a Rebottle light blue. Rebottle by Scentbird. Gave me like a little thing talking about your skincare routine, and it has all these different products that Scentbird has, because Scentbird isn't also just a perfume website. They have charcoal mask and like face moisturizer. I haven't tried that, but I've been wanting to try Scentbird and I love the perfume. Let me know down below some of your favorite subscription boxes. If you tried Scentbird, what your favorite perfume, cologne is. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Caitlin Bay, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!
Yeah. Yeah. Like. Hey yo, Beth, we got it.